Blackhead Removal Transformation Deep Pore Detox Facial Results. Blackhead removal transformations can make a huge difference in how the skin looks and feels. In today's video, we are performing a deep pore detox facial designed to remove stubborn blackheads and improve skin clarity. This treatment focuses on cleaning the pores and restoring smooth, healthy skin. What is deep pore detox? Deep pore detox is a skincare treatment that focuses on removing impurities trapped deep inside the pores. Over time, oil and dirt can build up inside the skin, leading to blackheads and uneven texture. Detox treatments help clean the pores and improve overall skin health. Facial preparation. The treatment begins with cleansing the skin. This removes surface dirt and prepares the skin for deeper cleaning. Steam is then applied to open the pores. This makes it easier to remove blackheads during extraction. Blackhead extraction. Using professional tools, blackheads are carefully removed from the pores. The process is slow and controlled to avoid damaging the skin. As the extraction continues, the pores become visibly cleaner. Skin recovery. After extraction, soothing and hydrating products are applied. These help calm the skin and restore its natural balance. Proper aftercare is important for maintaining healthy skin. Final transformation. At the end of the treatment, the difference is clear. The skin looks smoother, the pores are cleaner, and the overall appearance is improved. Regular deep pore detox can help maintain these results.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.